On today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with CPA offers as a complete beginner. This is a very simple method that you can use to make up to $300 per day without any skills and with zero experience. The best part of this method is that I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to earn the money without investing any money. One good thing about CPA offers is that you don't need to get sales. All that you need to do is to get leads to the products, and you are going to be earning money anytime you get a lead. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it. So make sure you watch till the end so that you get all the details that you need to know about this strategy. If you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. As you can see right here, I'm using CPA Grip. So what you need to do is that you have to create a free account. I'll show you later in this video how to create your free accounts with CPA Grip. So once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. What you need to do is that you are going to come to this side. Once you are here, you are going to click on offer tools. Once you click on that, select my offers. Once you click on my offers, you are going to see a page like this. So as I scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote, but you can see that the payout is very low. So if you are promoting offers like this, you are not going to make a lot of money per day. So what you need to do is that you have to change the country right here. And you know that CPA offers, they are country specific. So you need to promote the offers to a specific country so that you can be paid. If you promote it to anywhere in the world, you are not going to be paid. Now what you are going to do is that you have to search for countries whereby you can get offers that have higher payout when you promote them. Countries like Canada, United Kingdom, United States, Australia, New Zealand, those are tier 1 countries. So if you get offers from those countries, you are going to get a higher payout anytime you get a lead. So what you need to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to search for one of those countries, but you must first of all find the traffic source before you search for those countries. If you search for the countries without getting a traffic source, you are not going to make any money. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for Australia because I have a traffic source from that country. So I'll show you everything that you need to know about it. So just search for AU right here. Once you search for AU, you can see Australia right here. Just click on that so that you can find offers here to promote. So as you can see, it is loading. It is going to load and we'll find offers. As you can see, these are offers that you can promote in Australia. You can see many of them. Some are having low payout, some are having higher payout. As you can see, a whole lot of them. So let me scroll down to show you. As you can see on your screen, many of them. You can see this one right here. You are going to earn $2.05 per every lead that you get. So let me scroll down to show you more of the offers. You can see this one. You are going to get $18.02 per every lead that you get. So let me scroll down to show you more. As you can see, this one $17.97 per every lead that you get. So as I scroll, you can see many of the offers. Before you promote an offer, you need to consider certain factors. The first one is to consider the device. So right here you can see that this offer is allowed on all types of mobile devices. You can see the requirement here. So the audience have to submit their email or zip before you earn the money. You can see this one right here. The audience have to install an app, and you can see not all mobile devices. So you must get people who use this kind of mobile devices before you can earn the money. As I scroll up, you can see this offer right here. It is allowed on all mobile devices, and you can see that the requirement is that the audience have to submit their credit card details before you are paid $17.97. So this is something that you might find difficult doing because not a lot of people are willing to submit their credit card details online. So when you come to the offer that requires the audience to install the mobile app, you can see the type of mobile devices is very limited. So it is difficult to also promote these offers. But if you like, you can just give a try. But I don't like promoting offers like this because it is difficult finding a lot of people who use these kinds of mobile devices. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to select this one right here. Get a Woolworths gift card now. So this one is allowed on all mobile devices. And you can see that the requirement is very easy. You can get people who submit their emails or zip so that you can earn $2.14. It's simple as that. So it's very easy to get leads to this offer. Now if you want to promote the offer, what you have to do is that just click on the name of the offer. Once you click on it, you can now get access to your affiliate link, and you can get some more details about the product. So as you can see it right here, this is your affiliate link. You can see that it's only allowed in Australia. You can see it right here, and only on mobile devices. So that is the limitation. When you come here, your audience have to enter their mobile numbers before you can earn $2.14. So what we are now going to do is that you have to first of all get your traffic source so that you can promote this affiliate link for people to enter their mobile numbers, and you are going to be paid each time you get a person. We are going to be using this website to promote the offers. The name of the website is chaosads.australia.com. This is a website that you can get people from Australia to enter their mobile numbers, and you are going to be earning money on CPA Grip. When you analyze the website on SimilarWeb, you can see that 62.72% of the traffic is coming from Australia. Although this website does not get a lot of traffic as compared to other websites, but the good news is that it is growing, and more to the point, this is targeted traffic. You are targeting the right people. So even if you get few people to click through your link, you can get some of them who enter their mobile numbers, and you are going to be earning money on CPA Grip. On this website, you don't need to create an account. What you need to do is that just come here, click on post an ad so that you can begin posting your affiliate links here for free. Once you click on post an ad, you are going to select the category. So just select for sale. Once you select that, you are going to select the subcategory. So you can see a whole lot of different items that you can post here. Just scroll down and then select everything else. Once you select that, just click on next so that you can enter the details of your ad. Once you click on next, the next thing is that you are going to select your location. So you can select any of the location in Australia. So as you can see, a lot of locations. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to just select the first one right here. Once you select the location, the next thing is your ad title. So this is where you are going to paste the name of the offer right here so that it can attract people to click through your ad. If you don't have a title in mind, what you are going to do is that you are going to come back to CPA Grip and then copy the name of the offer. So just copy the name of the offer. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to your ad, and right here you are going to paste it as your title. Once you paste that, the next thing is the description. So I'm going to pause the video and then write my description for you to see. You are welcome back. As you can see, this is my simple description. We are giving you the choice to be in with the chance of winning a gift card. All you have to do is to simply fill in the form in the link as shown. That is just it, and the rest of the details. So you can pause the video and then read my description. If you like it, you can copy this exact description and then change it a little bit, because if you paste the exact sentence, this website is going to mark it as ad duplicate and they are going to delete your ad. So make sure you just copy the same thing and then change it a little bit, or you can write your own simple description and then paste it here. So you can see I have my call to action. So click the link below and you can see, and good luck. So what I now have to do is that I have to just paste my affiliate link right here. To get your affiliate link, just come back to CPA Grip. Once you are here, you are going to come here. You can see tracking domain. So what you need to do is that you have to select your tracking domain. So I'm just going to scroll down and then select one of them. So I'm going to select this one right here. Once you select your tracking domain, the next thing is that you are going to copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to shorten it. So just search for Cartily.com. Once you are on Cartily.com, just scroll down and then paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste your affiliate link here, just click on shorten so that you can shorten your affiliate link. As you can see, the link has been shortened. Just click on copy so that you can copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to bring it back to your ad, and right here you are going to paste your affiliate link here. As you can see, that has been done. So the next thing is that you are going to select the offer type. So just select for free. Once you select that, you don't need to enter any price. So the next thing is that you are going to enter the image of the offer. So just click here so that you can add an image of the offer. As you can see, you have to upload an image. To upload an image, you are going to go back to CPA Grip so that you can copy the image of the offer. Once you come back to the offer, just put your pointer right here. Once your pointer is here, right click and then select save image as so that you can save the image of the offer. Once you click on save image as, you are going to see a page like this. Just click on save so that you can now save it onto your PC. Once that is done, you are going to come back to your ad, and right here you are going to upload the image. So just click on choose file so that you can upload your image. So just select the image click on open, and the image is going to be uploaded. As you can see it right here, this is the image, so just click on upload so that the image can be uploaded right here. As you can see right here, this is the image. Once that is done, you are going to enter your contact email right here, your contact name, and then phone number. That is not compulsory, so the most important thing is the email address and the contact name. As you can see, this is my contact email. The next thing is the contact name, so let me just type my name right here. So as you can see, that has been done. Your phone number, if you want, you can add. If you don't like, you can just skip it and then post your ad. Once you enter all the details, the next thing is that you are going to post the ad onto the platform. So just click on post the ad so that your ad can be posted onto the platform. As you can see right here, your ad has been posted. Now your ad is live on the platform, and you are going to be getting people to click through it and then enter their mobile numbers for you to earn money on CPA Grip. If you want to view your ad, you can just click here so that you can view it. You can see, you can find it here, so just click on it so that you can see how your ad looks like on the platform. You can see this is how the ad will appear to anyone who will visit this website. So as you can see, this is how the ad looks like. Now if you are new and you don't know how to create an account, I'm just going to take you through step by step on how to do it. So once you're on CPA Grip platform, just scroll down to the bottom so that you can get the sign up button to sign up. Once you scroll down to the button, just click on sign up so that you can enter your details and then sign up for your free accounts. Once you click on sign up, you are going to see a page like this. So what you need to do is you have to enter your first name, last name, your company, and then the website. The website, that is not compulsory. Your company, that is not compulsory. So the next thing is the street address. Just enter your street address. Enter the second street address. If you have to, your country, you are going to select that, the city, and you have the state or the region. So once you select that, you are going to select your Skype address. So just search for how to create a Skype address so that you can create one and then enter it here. Once you enter all those details, you are going to select your time zone. Once that is done, you can see where did you hear about us, so just enter it. In your case, you are going to just enter YouTube. Once that is done, you are going to just scroll down, come here, and you are going to agree to the terms of service. You have to also click on I agree not to complete the offers myself, and then the next one is I agree that I will not use proxy or VPN or both software to complete the list. So just enter that. Once you entered all the details, the most important thing is the publisher type. So what you need to do is that you have to just click on it. Because you want to get list, select get paid to. So just select that GPT. So once you select that, the next thing is that you are now going to click register now so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts, you can then start promoting products on CPA Grip as a complete beginner, and you are going to be making money from home. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.